In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable message editing in Slack. So if you want to restrict Slack users from editing messages that have been sent, then you can go ahead and disable this function in Slack. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, go over to Slack Workspace and then head over to your Slack Workspace name here. From this, head to Tools and Settings, and then under it, go to Settings and choose Workspace Settings. Now this will open a new tab, and under it, go under Administration and click on Settings and Permissions, and then under Settings and Permission, go to Permissions. From here, scroll down until you get to this message editing and deletion. So we are told here choose when to allow message editing and deletion. So go ahead and click on Expand. And here under allow editing, go ahead and toggle down and change this from anytime to never. However, if you want to set expiry date for message editing, you can go ahead and choose from this, maybe up to 5 minutes after posting or 30 minutes after posting. Go ahead and choose as per your preference. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on save. And this will go ahead and effect the changes. Now, from now henceforth, anyone who sends a message in Slack will not have the permission to edit that message because it is set to never. So that's how you can prevent message editing in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.